here a short explanation of the interactive approach to teaching writing. The instruction of writing using an interactive approach is one that emphasizes learning meditated through interaction with other learners of more competent readers and writers, like the teacher. One of the goals of interactive approaches includes not just achievement in reading and writing, but also engagement and interest in reading and writing. Interactive approaches include peer relearning opportunities, cooperative learning, and gradual release of responsibility models. An example of such a model would go something like this. I do, you watch. I do, you help. You do, I help. And finally, you do, I watch. Interactive approaches to writing also include shared writing experiences, such as the creation of class books and other group-generated writing projects. It is interesting to note that this is the approach that's used in the teacher, that features in the Literacy con Cariño book. And in that book, that teacher uses a number of different activities for his class that use these kind of things. A lot of group writing activities, and in the end, over the course of that semester in that book, the students end up publishing a number of books of their writings. According to Genise and Riches in a 2006 study, researchers in the area of second language acquisition advocate using interactive approaches for several reasons. First of all, interactive approaches support the individualized teaching and learning that is needed in classrooms with heterogeneous learners. Second, interactive learning environments are also thought to reinforce the participant structures that are used in the homes of some CLD students, and that differ from those in the mainstream U.S. culture. For example, interactive learning approaches favor group versus individual learning, collaborative versus competitive demonstrations for competence, and learning by observing versus learning by lecture. General trends that emerge from the review of research in this area indicate that reading and writing behavior improved as a consequence of participating in interactive learning environments, especially in relation to writing ability.
The goal of most interactive approaches to writing instruction is to bring the student beyond simple achievement and give the student a personal interest in writing. Using the interactive concept, an approach using this could look something like the following. In a classroom, more and less proficient students are identified and paired together. Activities are then given to these pairs that are tailored to the skill level of the more proficient students. Together, these pairs should complete the assigned activity. Then, the products of these pairs, whether it be samples of writing or just insights gained, will be brought together at the classroom level as discussion. Individual students will then be assigned to produce whatever they are able, at their skill level, to produce in writing about their experiences leading or helping in their paired assignment. After several repetitions of this, those students formerly assigned to help a more skilled classmate will themselves be assigned to the leader of a new pairing. Using an overarching lesson plan or theme, the collective writings of students will be synthesized as a class-produced work, perhaps after a month.